call ML. What is AI? Anvith?
Artificial intelligence. Basically,
Okay.
like, yeah. But I'm not so sure on the idea of AI. Like,
Okay.
sometimes you might just program it a bit wrong, wrong ways, and bit in a wrong ways, and they might it would be helpful at first, but then things kind of might start going out of hand.
Okay. Fola, do you by chance know what ML is? Go ahead, Fola. You know
You
what
just told us machine learning.
machine learning. What would we say is the difference between a computer and AI? Anvith?
Because like AI does not need like one step directions. You could just it doesn't need like very specific direction. You can
Okay.
just say something and it'll do it. It's not like you're gonna have to move move do like move one step, then move another your other leg and stuff like that.
Okay.
It
Okay.
it can think on its own.
Oh, there we go. That's what I was really trying to get to. How do you, gentlemen, how do you know a cow is a cow, a cat is a cat, a table is a table, a desk is a desk, a chair is a chair? How do you know that?
Uh, by experience,
By experience?
because mostly because we just saw them, and also because we learned how to speak. So like
Okay, okay.
we know what to call
And
it.
okay. And
See that
how do
and how
you
to use
learn? How did you learn?
it. Hmm.
All of a sudden, just one day, you're like, that's a cow.
Uh,
That's a horse.
my maybe like when I was a child, my parents might have just pointed
There
to
you
them.
go. Yeah. Somebody taught you, right? Somebody told you that that's a cow and that's a dog. They could have lied to you. They could have told you that a cow is a horse and a horse is a cow, and you would have gone out. That's exactly what we are going to be doing to teach our AI. That's the machine learning. We are
But
going to teach the machine how to learn.